Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will discuss about bookkeeping. Now, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the process of recording all financial transactions of a business in a systematic and accurate way. It is the first step of accounting. Every time a business buy, sell, pay or receive money, it must be recorded properly, and this job is done through bookkeeping. So, bookkeeping means keeping daily record of all money coming in and going out of a business. Now, what bookkeeping includes? Bookkeeping involves recording transactions such as sales, purchase, payments, receipt, expense, bank transaction, and cash transactions. Bookkeepers enter this data into journal, ledger, accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, Tally. Now, purpose of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping helps a business to keep correct financial records, know daily cash or bank balance, prepare accounts letter by accountants, avoid errors and fraud, track income and expense, and make business decisions. Now, difference between accounting and bookkeeping. Bookkeeping record daily transaction and accounting analyze and interpreting records. Bookkeeping focus on data entry and accounting focus on decision making. Bookkeeping is simple work, but accounting more advanced work. Bookkeeping maintains by bookkeepers and accounting maintains by accountants. Now, why bookkeeping is important? Because without accurate bookkeeping, financial statement cannot be prepared, business owners cannot know profit or loss, VAT or tax cannot be calculated, budgeting becomes impossible. So, bookkeeping is the foundation of the entire accounting system. I hope from this video you all are be clear about bookkeeping. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the next video, I will continue with more accounting topics. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.